Welcome creators! Today we create a cinematic title reveal. Let's begin. Choose the text tool and go to Program Monitor and type your title, because the first steps is creating our title. For example, cinematic. Now go to Essential Graphics, stylize your title, change the font if you want, adjust the scale to whatever you want, and use all caps. And add spacing between the letters. Then align your text to the center of the frame. The first effect to add is mirror. Drag and drop it to the text. In Effect Control, change reflection angle to 90. And move the reflection center up until your text is completely gone. Now, add a keyframe, then go to the end of the clip. Move it down to reveal and separate it. Make sure the last keyframe is smooth by right-click on it, choose Temporal Interpolation Ease In. Next, go to Opacity to create a mask. Scale it to the size of the text. And add more feather to the mask. Now let's add more details. Create an adjustment layer, add it into the top. And use Gaussian blur effect, drag it to the adjustment layer. In the effect control, change the blurriness to around 200 and change it to horizontal. And again, add a mask, scale it, place it beneath the original text, and feather the mask. Now we add something to make it even better. Select both and right-click, choose Nest to group them. Go to Scale, create keyframe in the beginning. Then move to the end, scale it to 110. Let's add slight zoom to the title. Don't forget, give the last keyframe ease in. And that's it. You can add sound and background to make it even more cinematic. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for weekly tutorial. Stay creative and see you in the next video. Peace out.